Hi everyone, Shaun Humphries here with Take Charge of Change. Over the next several weeks, we're going to put a particular focus on one of life's biggest transitions, and that transition is retirement. So in our blog posts and video content, we're going to focus on that particular transition in life. When you think about it, transition impacts almost every area of our life when we navigate through that transition. Our physical health can be impacted, our emotional well-being as we try to cultivate renewed purpose and vision and mission for our lives. Obviously our finances is impacted potentially, and of course our relationships. So we need to be very intentional as we navigate into the retirement phase of our lives. Now, if you're about 5 years away from retirement, that's an ideal time to begin really getting your ducks in a row around your retirement plan. Pollsters confirm consistently that there are 3 major financial risks that retirees worry about. And yet those risks can be dealt with effectively through good quality retirement income planning. One of those risks is a concern around longevity. In other words, outliving your capital, having more life than income. Now that risk can be dealt with through forecasting and proper coaching. Now in the links below this video, you'll find some information that you can click to on some videos that dealing with various risks around the retirement income planning area. And then also there's a link to our coaching page. So at Asante Capital Management, Humphreys Wealth Group, I'll take you to our retirement coaching page that has free resources. There's a retirement tips list sheet. There's a retirement checklist. There's a sample of the forecasting and modeling that we do for people approaching retirement, and then a link to our All Things Retirement YouTube channel. So again, if you're just about to think about retirement, you're 5 years or closer to retirement, you want to make sure that you experience peace of mind and confidence about your retirement plan. Make sure you grab those free resources and then reach out to us if you'd like to start a conversation. You take care, be resilient.